Gently stretch your hamstrings, releasing tension and improving flexibility in the back of your legs. Release tightness of your calves, promoting better ankle mobility and reducing foot discomfort. Open your chest and shoulders, counteracting rounded posture from daily activities. Open your chest and shoulders, counteracting rounded posture from daily activities. Gently lengthen your biceps, releasing tension and improving arm and shoulder flexibility.
Release tension in your neck, improving range of motion and alleviating stiffness.
Strengthen deep neck flexors, correcting forward head posture and supporting spinal alignment. Deeply stretch your glutes and hip rotators, releasing tension and improving hip mobility.
Increase spinal flexibility and range of motion, gently releasing tension in your back. Release tension on your upper back and shoulders, improving mobility and reducing stiffness.